Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be making egg fried rice. So let's get started. First, let me show you my ingredients. So here we have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then we have some parsley. Then we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And we have some salt for some taste. Then we have 2 eggs. Then we have 1 cup of rice. And then we have 1 small onion. So let's get started. First step is to beat the eggs. I'll meet you after I'm done. Now that the eggs are done, all the steps are on the stove, so let's go there. So after turning on the stove to medium heat, I'm going to put a little bit of oil onto the pan. Now I'm going to put the onions. I'm going to cook them until they turn light golden. I'll meet you after they're cooked. Now that the onion is lightly golden, I'm going to put it on the side and put some oil on the other side. And I'm going to put the egg on top. I'm going to let it cook. After it cooked, I'll meet you guys. Our next step is to scramble the eggs. After mixing the eggs and the onions, I'm going to put the rice inside. Now I'm going to give them a great mix. To add the garlic powder and give it a good mix, then I'm going to add the soy sauce and give it a mix. Now I'm going to add some dried parsley and add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to give it a good mix. Now that everything is done, let's take it out on a plate. Now for the optional steps, we have sesame seeds that I'm going to garnish on top. And we have bulldog sauce for some more taste. Here's the final results. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye!